Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Fiesta wing mirror. First, gather all the necessary tools like a screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your replacement mirror part. Make sure you have the correct mirror for your specific Fiesta model. Safety glasses and gloves are always a good idea to protect yourself during the repair process. Having everything ready saves time and makes the job smoother. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Gently use a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the old mirror glass. Start from the edges and work your way around. If there are any electrical wires for heating or adjustment, carefully disconnect them. Take your time to avoid further damage to the mirror housing. Once removed, clean the area thoroughly. With the housing clean, it's time to install your new mirror. If your new mirror has electrical connections, carefully reattach them first. Align the new mirror glass with the clips or mounting points inside the housing. Apply even pressure to the center of the mirror until you hear it click securely into place. Ensure it feels firm and properly seated. Finally, let's test your newly installed mirror. If your Ford Fiesta has electric mirrors, turn on the ignition and use the control switch to adjust its position. Check if the heating function works, if applicable. Make sure the mirror is stable and doesn't wobble or vibrate. Give the mirror surface a quick clean for optimal visibility. You've successfully fixed your wing mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.